Monday, August 19th, 2024. Oops, I left my window down. Oh, and it's raining out. Oh my goodness. It's not raining too hard, but it is dripping off the roof there. So, gotta get my knob on there and wind that window up. So today, yeah, you can hear the thunder there. I'm supposed to be taking this into the shop to get the bed taken off. Now I've got all the rock out of here, but I still got a little bit of dirt. Well, I got a lot of dirt in there. And I'm not sure how much of this needs cleaned out, but I imagine pretty much. I think we got to take all of this stuff off too. The steel, the bed, the box, the bed liner, all of this crap I think has to come off, but I'm not sure. So yeah, let me keep going here. And there we are, 20 minutes later, got her all cleaned out. Whew, most of it's right there.